久しぶり long time no see. Our Sensei です。よろしくお願いします。It's our Sensei and it's nice to meet you. I want to start to do examples and subjects as well as some vocabulary so that because now the end of the sentences are done, we can learn how to talk about specific things. So today I thought an easy enough one would be shumi, big she, little you, me. Shumi is hobby. So everyone typically have hobbies. So I put the particle, and I'm going to do a particle video. I put particles in boxes. I'm going to do a particle video in the future so that you know how to or why to use them. Remember, no is the word of. So the hobby of, that's the literal word you, of hobby. Wa, that's the subject. And an English translation would be more like the hobby of yours, rather than literally you of hobby subject. So if somebody say, Nata no shumi wa nan, that's the kanji. Nan desu ka. Des means currently positive, so this would be the hobby of yours. What is it? Ka at the end is just a question mark that you say. So if you're asking a question in real life, you say, or just like this question, Anata no shumi wa nan desu ka? Because you said ka, we know that you're asking a question. So I reply, as I did the people words as well. So watashi, I, no shumi, the hobby of mine, wa, and then you put an answer, and desu. If you put ka, then you would sound like you're not sure if it's your hobby, because you're kind of asking the question. My hobby is guitar. Is it? Type of reaction. So I did a couple of small examples. So if your hobby is reading, doku shi, little yo, u, doku shou is for reading. So watashi no shumi wa dokusho desu. Hiking is in katakana, haikingu, hiking. So watashi no shumi wa hiking desu. My hobby is hiking. Dance, also katakana, and very easy to remember these. So watashi no shumi wa dance desu. It's dancing. Then karaoke is katakana karaoke, which is the singing thing. And if you said watashi no shumi wa, and then music, or ongaku. Watashi no shumi wa ongaku desu. And then if somebody asks further, oh, do you play instrument? Or, oh, what kind of music and stuff do you do as your hobby? You could add things like guitar. Also very easy. Guitar, and a long sound. So guitar. O, shimasu. Remember suru in mass form? Shimasu. So I do. So I do guitar is you do a thing. So it's pretty much you play the guitar, you learn the guitar. So that's just a very small video for hobby. And if you want, you can try and find an answer for your own hobby in Japanese. And then if you ever ask someone, Anata no shumi wa nan desu ka? They say, Watashi no shumi wa dokusho desu. Anata no shumi wa nan desu ka? Then you can say, my shumi is, and then add whichever word is your actual hobby in real life that you can find. Thank you very much for watching the video. Otsukare-sama deshita. And hisashiburi. It's been a few days. There's been a lot of noise upstairs, up there. I don't know what they're doing. So I wasn't able to really record. I'm going to do a video on particle so that you know what all of the, well, not all of the particles, there's many, but what the main particles are. Because, well, no, wa, ka, o, there's also ga, and ni, e. Yeah, there's quite a few. So I'll make a little note on that and then make that into a video. And then you can always go back to it or make notes. And then you'll know what the particles to use for when you make a sentence, if it's a new sentence from scratch. So, お疲れ様でした。Thank you very much for your hard work. じゃあね。See you later. Have a good night.